Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to download and install Windows 7 on VMware, right on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser, let's say Chrome, and search for a legit Windows 7 ISO from an official archive site. Click the download link and grab the ISO file. Save it to your downloads folder. Next, launch VMware on your PC and click Create a new virtual machine. Follow the setup wizard, pick your settings like RAM and storage, then point it to that ISO file. Once configured, let the installation run. Takes a bit, so hang tight. And that's it. You've successfully set up Windows 7 on VMware. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.